Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the set-top box and TV. Make sure the Airtel DTH input is active. Press Menu on the remote and go directly to Settings. You want the language option. Once there, move with the arrow keys to Language or Audio settings. This is where you change menus and audio. You do this now because changing language in the settings updates both guide and audio labels. If you see Installer instead, enter only if prompted for a PIN. Otherwise, continue to Language. Now you select Language from the Settings list and open the Language submenu. You will see UI language, audio language, and subtitles separately. Pick each one to match your preference. Once you highlight a language, press OK to apply. The system may take a second to refresh labels. If audio languages are channel-specific, you may need to press Audio on the remote while watching a channel to switch streams. Make sure to set both UI and audio, so everything reads and speaks in your chosen language. To finish, browse the channel guide and a few live channels to confirm the new language is active across menus and audio. If you don't see the change, reboot the set-top box by unplugging power for 10 seconds and plugging it back in. This often forces a settings refresh. Once done, make sure the remote's audio or lang button hasn't been toggled by accident. If the problem persists, note your step-bythy and contact Airtel support. They can push settings or check your account language profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.